Hello there. Currently, we're at a dental's office. I need to get a root canal. Currently, I have dental insurance in the U.S., Delta Dental, and we're just comparing the prices for this type of work in the U.S. Even with the dental insurance, I have to pay about $472 to $800 for one root canal, depending on location stuff. So we want to just compare prices. If I didn't have insurance, it'd probably be about maybe up to $1,000, maybe $1,100 or stuff like that. But I currently do have Delta Dental plan, my wife and I, my family. So just want to compare prices of insurance with NFL.
We are here in Fortaleza.
We're here in Fortaleza, so
Brazil.
just want to show you the prices with dental insurance versus no dental insurance in Brazil, see if it's cheaper or not. And we'll let you know the price once we find out.
Let's go with yes.
Thanks.
Thank
bye.
you. Hello, doctor.
Olá,
Good morning.
Tudo bem?
So we just got done with the dentist. I had my teeth clean. It's 200 reals, maybe about $35, something like that. The root canal is about 3,000 reals here, which is be about maybe about $550. I think without insurance in the U.S., it's about $1,200 or something like that. With insurance, it's about the same price. So we'll probably just have the root canal done here, stuff like that. Insurance. We have Delta Dental. Our company pays about $126 a month for it. So we will probably cut that out when we leave the U.S. It doesn't make sense to have it when we could have the dental medical for just as cheap in Brazil without insurance and stuff. So root canal is about $550. Cleaning was about $35. The dentist is a brand new doctor. Him and his fiance are just open a clinic and stuff like that. So they're newer, have some nice equipment and stuff like that. So if you ever want to go to the dentist, this may be the place to do it. My wife will put the information on the bottom. We're going to go back to our apartment and stuff like that. And we're finished with the dentist today. I'll make an appointment for the root canal later. I got to do a camera and x-rays and stuff like that. I think that's about 300 reals from what we're told. So it's not that bad price. Everything's pretty cheap. You could, any type of medical dental in Brazil, you could get it central area for a lot cheaper than you can in the non-central area. So, but you pay for what you get. So we want to have good quality people that are younger, hopefully, and stuff like that. So we're going to get ready to go back home. And
Okay, don't forget to subscribe, give a like, and leave the comment below. See you next time. Thank you.
thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.